Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. So this is our second lecture of social studies. In the previous lecture we discussed about our solar system, that the earth, sun and the moon are all part of our solar system. We also discussed about the rotation and revolution movement of the earth, that how this movement causes day and night and different seasons. So today we will discuss about the division of the surface of the earth, that what is the surface of earth is made up of. So only two things that occurs on the surface of earth, that is water and land. The quantity of water is more than land. The surface of earth is covered with 71% of water and 29%, only 29% of land, as you can see in this chart. So today we will discuss the water bodies and the other geographical features of earth which exist on land. In some places there are high mountains. They can reach a height or altitude of over 8,000 meters above sea level. You know, there are some parts of the world, the parts of the earth on which mountains exist, and the height of those mountains can reach over 8,000 meters. And you know, the highest mountain is the Mount Everest in Nepal, which is in Nepal. It is the highest mountain in the world, and what's its height? Its height is 8,848 meters. What's its height is? Its height is 8,848 meters. And you know, students, the second highest mountain is in Pakistan. Yes, the second highest mountain is Pakistan. Look at this picture, K2. What's its height? Its height is 8,611 meters, and it is the second highest peak in the world, which is in Pakistan. Where it is? The second highest mountain is located in Pakistan. So the next we are going to discuss about oceans and seas. Large areas of water on the earth are called oceans. We know there are seas, oceans, rivers, lakes, different water bodies, but the largest water body that is known as ocean. जो सबसे बड़ी water body है, that is known as ocean. And the water body which is smaller than oceans, that is sea. सी बेसिकली ओशंस का ही पार्ट होती है, लेकिन ये वो एरिया है जहाँ पे जो हमारा लैंड है वो वाटर बॉडी के साथ मिलता है. इट इज एन एरिया वेयर लैंड मीट्स द वाटर बॉडी. दैट एरिया इज नोन एज सी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाई वी कांट ड्रिंक सी वाटर? We can't drink sea water because it is salty in taste and it is unfit for drinking purpose. So this is the reason the water that is in oceans and seas that are unfit for drinking purpose. Some parts of the oceans are very deep. There are waves on the surface of the oceans and seas. The water in the sea is always moving about. These movements are called currents. Students, you know, when we talk about mountains, जब हम mountains के बारे में बात करते हैं, so what we discussed their height. We discussed their height. हम उसकी height के बारे में बात करते हैं कि एक mountain की ऊंचाई कितनी है. But when we discussed about seas, तो हम उस सी की गहराई की बात करते हैं कि उसकी गहराई कितनी है, उस ओशन की और उस सी की गहराई कितनी है. So when we talk about the height of the mountains, we came to know that the Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, that is in Nepal. But you know the deepest point in the ocean, where it locates? The deepest point in the oceans is in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. It is 11,022 meters deep. Yes. How much deep it is? It is 11,022 meters deep. So the highest point on earth is Mount Everest, and the deepest point in the ocean, that is at the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. And what's it deepness, it is about 11,022 meters deep. Students, now we will discuss about the difference between hills and mountains. The only difference between hills and mountains is the difference of height. The hills are not as much high as the mountains are. So दोनों में basically difference यही है कि mountains की जो height है वो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है as compared to hills. Hills have lesser height as compared to mountains. And the piece of land which is between the hills and mountains, that piece of land is known as valley. वो एरिया जो हिल्स और माउंटेन्स के दरमियान में होता है उस एरिया को क्या कहा जाता है? दैट एरिया इज नोन एज वैली. द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लेटू एंड प्लेन्स. बोथ प्लेटू एंड प्लेन्स आर फ्लैट लैंड्स. दे आर फ्लैट लैंड्स. वहाँ पे कोई ऊंचाई कुछ नहीं होता. दे आर बेसिकली फ्लैट लैंड्स. बट द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्लेटू एंड प्लेन The only difference between plateau and plains is a difference of level. Flat areas with lower levels. So plains are the flat lands which are at lower levels, and flat lands which are at higher level as compared to plains are known as plateau. So this is the only difference between plateau and plains. Both are at flat lands, but the difference of level. Now we will discuss about deserts. As you know, there are some places on the earth where is throughout the year there is no rainfall. ठीक है, जहाँ पे बिल्कुल पानी नहीं होता, बारिश बिल्कुल कम होती है, और जहाँ पे हर जगह रेत. Those places are often sandy. So those areas are known as deserts. So these are the areas which have very little water and there is no rainfall throughout the year. But there are some areas which are covered with snow throughout the year, and these areas are mostly the peak of the mountains which are throughout the years are covered with snow. Now we will discuss about the difference between island and lake. Look at this picture. This is the piece of land which is covered with water from all over the sides. This is the piece of land which is covered by water all over the side is known as island. वो एरिया जो चारों साइड से पानी के दरमियान होता है, that area is known as island. And look at this lake. This is the water body which is covered by land from all over the sides. लेक के चारों तरफ लैंड है, लेकिन लैंड के चारों तरफ क्या है? वाटर है. So land covered by water from all over the side is known as island, and the water which is covered from land all over the side is known as lake. Here you can see different landforms. Here we can see desert. These are forest, island, coast. Coast is the area where lands meet the sea. Beach, plateau, hills, plains, valley, mountains, volcanoes. So these all are the landforms of the earth. These are all the landforms of earth. For your today's lesson. So now students, you will write these key vocabulary on your notebook, which is oceans, sea, valley, plains and island. We discussed about it in our today's lesson, and you will note down this question on your notebook, which is what is the earth surrounded by? The earth is surrounded by the atmosphere, which is made up of layers of air. So you will note down this question and these vocabulary words on your notebook, and you will complete page number 6 and 7 as a homework on your books. So this is all for your today's lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.